Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW X3M competition. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6. It's the S58 motor, same one you'll find in the BMW M3 and M4. And this has 503 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque, and it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. I absolutely love the X3M. I personally own a BMW G80 M3, which you guys know. So same engine, awesome car. My family has owned an X3M before and we love that car. This is really cool. The competition will give you extra horsepower over the base X3M. You have the carbon fiber interior trim. This has the Tartufo interior, which is gorgeous. I've never seen Tartufo on an X3M before. It's really good. Full digital gauge cluster, and when they facelifted the X3M in 2022, they gave it a bigger screen, which is cool. And they updated the gear shifter. Put in reverse, you have a 360-degree camera system. You have the iDrive controller right there. Really comfortable seats, paddle shifters, and you have the M1 and M2 buttons. I'm gonna press it real quick. Yeah, there you go. And then if you hit setup, you can set everything up right there. You have X-Drive, so 4-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive sport modes. Let's walk around this beautiful car. It has X3M competition on the door sills. This one's a Toronto red metallic. Really good color, really nice spec. The competition will give you the black grills. Really love these wheels. I have the same wheels on my M3. And they have and these are the tail lights on the facelift, and they also made the bumper black. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, really cool looking car right here, that's for sure. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. Turn off auto hold, not a fan of that. But yeah, the motor in this car is fantastic. BMW did a great job with it, and the way the X3M drives is insane. It does not drive like a SUV, it feels like an M3. It honestly, the suspension feels more aggressive than the M3's does, which is super weird. Like, the X3M is a really harsh ride. It's more engaging to drive than an M3 competition from what I felt. This thing's a 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Like, even the suspension right now feels rougher than my M3's, even when I'm on the sportiest settings. My M3 I have the 6-speed, and it's pretty crazy. Look how fast this thing is. So effortless. It accelerates so effortlessly. It's really cool. You have the Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle too. But yeah, I love these seats. I have the same seats in my car too. It's just really nice. God, this thing is so fast. Oh my god, and it sounds so good too. It's insane. Really awesome car. Visibility is pretty good. You also have a panoramic sunroof, which you can open the shade back using that, or you can just open the glass itself if you would like to do that as well. And this is a really eye-catching color on this car. I would drive this spec. I think it's a great spec. I really love the red color, and I love the Tartufo interior. I didn't even know they made it on the X3M. This is my first time actually seeing Tartufo in person. I really like these seats. Like on the M3, people get Tartufo with like British racing green exterior, things like that. Yeah, this Toronto red metallic also has like a orange hue to it. It doesn't look fully red. It also looks orange too in certain light. Yeah, this car is monstrously fast. It's insane. You saw my phone fly out of that wireless charging tray. Yeah, it's very impressive how fast the X3M is. It's totally crazy. So cool. as I was saying, the handling on the X3M is crazy. It does not handle like an SUV. So insane of an SUV to drive. Yeah, I haven't really seen many of the LCI X3Ms out there that often. They're not all that common, to be honest. And I really like the bigger screen because over the pre-facelift, it looks really good. Yeah, the BMW X3M is definitely one of the best performance SUVs out there. I would take this over an X5M or an X6M or anything like that. And the value for the money is great. You can pick up a used X3M in the 50K range. That's so much car for the money. This one had an original MSRP of $86,000. It's pretty loaded. It has executive package. It's a competition. It has executive package and all that good stuff. And I'm just really in love with the Tartufo interior. It's really classy. Such a nice exhaust. Transmission's really responsive. BMW's 8-speed is fantastic. Pull the paddle, if you pull the minus paddle all the way, it'll hunt for the lowest gear to downshift too, which is really nice. To be honest, I'd rather have this over an M3 competition. It's so much more engaging to drive, which doesn't make any sense. This suspension is so much firmer. Look how planted this thing is. Really awesome. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, like I would take this over an M3 competition because you could get this for like 30 grand less used, or 20 grand less. I got my M3 because I wanted a manual transmission. I wouldn't get the competition because like I'm literally telling you, this feels way more engaging, way harsher and more fun to drive than the M3 comp does. I don't know why BMW did that. They made the transmission, I mean, they made the suspension in this way harsher. It doesn't make any sense. And then in a crossover over the sedan, I don't get it. But either way, it's an amazing car to drive. I think this car's worth every penny and more. In the used market, it's an amazing value. Awesome value, awesome car. Truly love this vehicle. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome pre-owned vehicles like this X3M competition.